Welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. It's Easter out and today we had an Easter egg hunt with a bunch of friends and family. Had a great time. My mother put this on. Here's a little footage of the family and friends out there. I got Paige and Sierra, Ella, Bear, Tootie, Stephanie with the kids. Just had a great old time out there. The kids just loved it. Lots of candy and get them all hyped up and full of sugar. And that just reminds me of being a Snap-on dealer. You know, it's not always about hustling the tools. There's a lot of great relationships that we build out there and people that we meet that are unique, fun. They all have their own story. And here's one of the guys that I see every Friday. Merlin is his name. And his wife really got him and his family into off-roading, 4x4 mud and stuff like that. And she passed away about 3 years ago. And they're still going strong on it. And let's hear his story.
So we're out here and these guys, they're over the road during the week, but on the weekend, these are their toys. And why don't you go ahead and tell me a little bit about this one, Merlin? What are you doing on it?
This one I'm building for my wife, in memory of my wife. We haven't decided which motor we're going to put in it yet.
So it's an S10 body.
Yeah, and it's going to have probably a big block alcohol burning Chevy with a, I think they call it a 542 Allison truck transmission.
Okay.
And then I got a military transfer case.
What's the frame of this off of?
Freightliner.
A Freightliner frame.
Yeah.
Look at the tires on this thing.
Yeah, you can see it, well, the airbag is wadded up.
Yep.
It bounced around, but we're putting all new airbags and one thing or another on it. And,
wow.
Yeah, and, when we get done with it, I got the box for it, of course.
Sure.
But it'll be to be painted the same identical color as Gail's big truck over there, that blue one. And I've got a wing for it, for this. If you notice up on top of her truck, it's got 20 lights in the front end of the wing. We're putting 20 little button LED lights in the wing on this thing here.
What's the next one we got here?
Oh, that's Rupert. We named him Rupert because the company that builds the alcohol system was Rupert.
Okay.
So he's Rupert.
So what size motor does that have?
It's a 355 small block.
Okay, and that's alcohol burning.
Yeah.
Check out the tires. What are these tires?
I think they're 1124s, I think. Yeah. I believe that's what they are.
This exhaust system, look at the welds on this exhaust system.
She's crude and rough, but she's had a rough life.
Look at the mud on there. Oh, a bunch of gauges on there.
Yeah,
awesome.
More or less, see, 3 people can fit in it. It's more or less just get in and hang on.
Racing seats in the middle.
Yeah.
This is going to be an upcoming project here. You said that was a 54-inch rim?
Yeah.
We'll get a new frame and
See,
motor.
we had to build our own centers. When we get done, the engine will be back out about here. I'm swaying toward a poor little DT 466 International with a 653 Allison, and then they'll get a coupled to 4-speed shuttle shift transmission that was originally in the wheel loader.
Let's go take a look at the Muddy Banana hiding back there. What can you tell me about that?
It's had a rough life.
That's a full-size pickup behind it. Yeah. So what motor's in here?
It's a small block, but I believe they said it was 390 some cube.
Okay.
When they got done with it. Yeah, it's got a manual transmission back in it. These are military ton and a quarter, I think they call them. We built our own hydraulic steering.
73?
Yeah. Don't look too bad for that age.
Nope. Not for Wisconsin, that's for sure.
Yeah, and this don't have a steering column in it, of course. He's got the dash apart right now, but
Always a work in progress, right?
yeah, that's one thing with these. You bandage them all up and you take them out and you beat the shit out of them and load your carnage up and haul it home and start over again. Jimmy thought we needed a set of balls.
Set of nuts on the back. And there we have it, the Muddy Banana Motorsports.
Yeah, and there's the, yep, there's the,
Memory of Gail.
As a Snap-on dealer, I stop at all different types of shops, from big shops to little shops, agriculture, automotive, power sports, marine, heavy truck shops, all different types of stuff. And you get to see all kinds of cool things going on. And when I stopped on Friday over at Jim's place, they had a motorhome. They're taking the body off the back of it, and he's going to try to turn that into a pickup truck. Kind of cool to see all the different stuff. I know you guys all have projects going on, and your dealers are able to check them out. I want to share some of the things I see with you guys.
What do you do to this thing?
Pick it up,
Okay.
block it,
Yep.
and drive out from underneath it.
Right on. We gotta check out the other side. Here comes the man, Jim. So they decided they're going to take that box off after break, so we're going to miss that, but we'll keep watching and see what goes on with this.
So another shop I pull up to, they're fixing some rims. I walk in and there's these tires are just blown apart. Take a look at this. I'm like, what in the heck happened here? Apparently there was a stolen vehicle and the police put out these spike strips and to stop the car, to stop the truck. It was a 2017 Chevy Silverado.
So here we have one of the spikes that we pulled out. You can see how they're hollow.
As always, I appreciate you watching, checking out my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, it's all right. Give me a thumbs down. No problem. Keep leaving your comments, subscribing. We're going to try to get these videos out a little faster. I got a new editing program, so it's taking a little longer, but I'm trying to make them a little nicer for you as well. So on that note, I'm out. Have a good day.